Hi, in this video I will show you how to retract any email on the Gmail. So if you have sent the wrong email on the uh, Gmail and you want to undo that, so how you can basically do it? Process is pretty simple. So here is some limit to do this. So if you have email sent before few seconds, then you can only undo it. If you want to unsend the 2 hours before email, then you won't be able to do this. So basically in the few seconds how you can undo your email. So first of all you have to open your Gmail and simply log into your account. You can also only do this on the laptop or the computer, I mean on the web version of the Gmail. You won't do this on the mobile application. So log into your account and you will see setting button, tap on it, and from here you have to click on the see all settings. It's loading. Okay, now you will see undo send, and here the cancellation period time is 5 seconds, make it to 30 seconds. So after sending the email within the 30 seconds you can undo your email. So this is the procedure. Now scroll down and save these changes. If you won't save changes, the changes will not be saved. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.